there. So I really liked what Annika was saying about the idea of a teaser. And to further expand on that, I just wanted to show you a teaser that I made not too long ago for one of my fine art multimedia animations, This Too Shall Pass. So This Too Shall Pass is a animated short about life with small children, the ups and downs. And it's actually, this is my website, you can see it's 3 minutes and 55 seconds. So it's short, but it's not as short as the shorts we have been talking about. So basically, I have been in a number of international film festivals with this animation and others that I've done. And one thing that they like you to submit when you're applying to be in these film festivals is either a trailer or a teaser. Now, a trailer is something you would see much more for longer films that are feature length, 1 hour and a half, or even, shorter films like half an hour. So it would be weird to make a trailer, which is usually around 1 minute long, sometimes can be 2 minutes long, for an animation that's 3 minutes and 55 seconds. That would be, almost half the movie, right? So a teaser makes much more sense. They also make them for feature films as well. And basically what it is, it's 15 seconds. Can you imagine 15 seconds? And all you're doing is you're generating curiosity. You're not necessarily trying to sell anything or do a call to action or anything like that. You just want to kind of establish a few key things. So I will talk about that in a moment. So this is my teaser. It's also on YouTube. And let's have a watch, shall we? So 15 seconds. Ta-da! All right, that's all the stuff coming in from YouTube. 15 seconds. So what can we possibly express in 15 seconds? Well, what I tried to do with my animation is I tried to give a sense of the production values. So hopefully, and what I can do is, I can maybe play it in the background again just so you can see. So you can see some actual scenes from the animation. You get a sense of my painting style, my animation style. There's a little bit of text to kind of explain a little bit about what the animation is about. It's about the extreme highs and lows of parenthood. Specifically, it deals with a rather sticky subject, which is that of postpartum depression. What if someone with postpartum depression were to make an animation, not all at once, but a little tiny bit, a couple drawings a day for 2 years, what would it look like? So that was basically the gist of my text. I'll just run it again in the background here. Okay, so I'm trying to establish production values. I'm trying to give a really quick overview of the story and the context with not too much text, just enough that you can read in a few seconds. And then instead of a call to action, I just put the title of the animation. I've actually heard from some of my film guru friends that they love this teaser. They felt it was very effective. In some ways, maybe it's even better than the actual animation itself, although luckily I've been fortunate to win awards with This Too Shall Pass as well. But I'm actually particularly proud of my teaser. 15 seconds. So if you are thinking about making a teaser for your website, your movie, your product, your brand, or whatever it is that you do, these are a couple of things you might want to keep in mind. That said, just like with making a 30-second video, animation, or business card, it takes a lot of thought, a lot of effort, and quite a bit of time to make a good teaser that's 15 seconds. So definitely don't try to make a teaser in 15 seconds and call it a day unless you are superhuman. Okay, hope this helps and see you in the next lesson.